Hello and welcome to week 3. I have your weekly folder open and you'll be reading chapter 5 and 6 of the Patterson book, which will help you to learn about privacy and mass media. And I have supplementary materials within the folder for you to review. You'll be completing your discussion board and writing assignment, and please always feel free to reach out to me should you have questions. I'm here to help you. So if you email me or if you want to set up an appointment to talk by phone or in person, I'm happy to do that. I've listed our learning objectives this week here so you know where we're headed. You're learning about ethics and you are learning about considerations of ethics within PR. And journalism. So your discussion board here, you will be creating a personal code of ethics. So you're going to read the code of ethics. And I don't expect this code of ethics to be as detailed as the PRSA one I have linked to here. I think it could include a scripture. That would be great. And that it would be wonderful if you talked about kind of your philosophy for ethical behavior. So it's not going to be as specific. This is more general, more personal. And you should write 400 words at least for this, no more less than that, and also respond to your course mates with at least a 100-word response. There's the rubric for the discussion boards. Your writing assignment this week, you will be looking at a case study and answering questions regarding it, and that is listed there for you as well. I do have a video that's just kind of interesting about Apple's privacy battle, so I place that for you as well. So that is where we're at this week. If you have questions for me, do let me know. This week, since you are doing a paper that's a case study, it's kind of APA-ish for those kinds of things. And of course, the discussion board can just be written freely. It can be just kind of in conversational type of writing. You know, I am passionate about helping students. Should you have any questions about what to do with the journalism or PR major, do reach out to me. I love to coach and mentor students. I've done that for hundreds of students here at CBU in the online and in the on-ground setting. So I'm happy to help you should you have any questions. But I can tell you that the field of public relations and the field of journalism are both very tied to having a good ethical reputation. So the more you understand about ethics, the better for your career and for your personal sense of well-being and doing the right thing. So I pray you have a blessed week and reach out if I can help you in any way. Thank you.